I tripping or is that? Oh shit, that is. Dude, this dude catch something? Are you okay, buddy?
I'm gonna go help him, okay? Yeah, I don't think. Good job. I'm so happy you're standing.
In that box, and we left and came back, and now
Cat to the hawk. We built him a little hawk house.
I do not know what's going on, but there goes the hawk right there. I just saw a little chipmunk running over there.